Ever wondered which gaming PCs can truly handle the latest titles without lag or frustration? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best home gaming PC setups that deliver smooth performance, stunning visuals, and reliability. Check the links in the description for the best deals. On number 5 is NOVATECH Prism. What if one gaming desktop could effortlessly handle everything from high-intensity multiplayer battles to creative streaming without breaking a sweat? The NOVATECH Prism steps in as that powerhouse, and the difference is immediately noticeable. Many gamers hesitate before buying because they fear lag, overheating, or limited upgrade paths, but this system solves those worries from the start. Powered by an Intel Xeon E3 V6 server-grade i7 CPU processor and 16GB of DDR4 RAM, it breezes through multitasking, modern AAA titles, and demanding applications. The AMD RX 580 graphics card delivers crisp visuals at full high-definition 1080 pixels and even streams smoothly at 4000 pixels, creating immersive gameplay compared with others that stutter under load. The 512GB M.2 solid-state drive ensures games load in seconds, while RGB fans give a striking look to your setup. At price equals $899.99, it's a reliable, stylish, and efficient choice for serious gamers seeking performance, peace of mind, and a future-ready home gaming experience. At number 4 is CyberPowerPC Gamer. What if a gaming desktop could finally deliver smooth performance without leaving you frustrated over slow load times or laggy frames? The CyberPowerPC Gamer answers that question instantly, and the confidence it inspires is noticeable from the first session. Many gamers hesitate before buying because they worry about future-proofing, graphics bottlenecks, or limited multitasking, but this system handles it all seamlessly. Powered by an Intel Core i5-13400F processor with 10 cores and 16GB of DDR5 RAM, it breezes through multitasking, modern AAA titles, and demanding applications. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5068GB graphics card delivers stunning visuals with crisp detail, while the 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe solid-state drive ensures lightning-fast load times compared with others that struggle under heavy workloads. Custom RGB lighting and a tempered glass side panel elevate the setup aesthetically. At price equals $1,099.99, it's a smart, reliable choice for serious gamers seeking immersive visuals, responsive performance, and peace of mind with 1-year warranty coverage. On number 3 is STGAubron Dual CPU. What if a gaming desktop could handle everything from high-intensity AAA titles to content creation without ever breaking a sweat? The STGAubron Dual CPU delivers that confidence immediately, transforming your home setup into a powerhouse. Many gamers hesitate before buying because they worry about multitasking limits, slow performance under heavy loads, or graphics bottlenecks, but this system solves those problems instantly. Powered by dual Intel Core i7 Xeon E5 processors up to 3.7 GHz with 16 GB of memory, it tackles gaming, streaming, video editing, and crypto trading effortlessly. The AMD Radeon RX 588GB GDDR5 graphics card renders stunning visuals with smooth frames, while the 512GB solid-state drive ensures lightning-fast load times, compared with others that struggle with multitasking. Equipped with 4 RGB fans, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.0, it combines performance and style seamlessly. At price equals $1,399.99, this is a smart, reliable choice for serious gamers, streamers, and creators seeking immersive gameplay, high-speed multitasking, and peace of mind with 1-year warranty and lifetime tech support. At number 2 is Sceptre 24-inch Prime Monitor. What if a monitor could completely elevate your gaming and work setup without breaking the bank? The Sceptre 24-inch Prime Monitor, priced at $69.99, delivers vibrant, immersive visuals and smooth performance instantly. Many buyers hesitate because conventional monitors often show dull colors, laggy refresh rates, or strain your eyes during long sessions, but this one solves those problems elegantly. With 99% sRGB coverage, colors are deeper and more precise, making games, videos, and design work pop compared with others. The 100Hz refresh rate combined with FPS and RTS custom modes ensures fluid motion and crisp action, ideal for high-paced games. gaming. Dual HDMI ports and a VGA port expand connectivity, while built-in speakers provide clear audio without cluttering your desk. Blue light shift reduces eye fatigue, enhancing comfort during extended use. As compared with others, the balance of performance, affordability, and convenience stands out, though professional designers may crave higher resolution. This is a smart, safe choice for gamers, students, and home office setups seeking reliable visuals, fast response, and peace of mind. Now moving to the last one is KYY Portable Monitor. What if your gaming setup could go anywhere without compromising visuals or performance? The KYY Portable Monitor, priced at $159.99, delivers that freedom with confidence and style. Many gamers hesitate before investing in a portable display due to fears of poor color accuracy, lag, or flimsy build quality, but this design addresses all of those concerns instantly. Its 15.6-inch full high-definition screen with 178-degree wide viewing angle and high dynamic range technology provides crisp, vibrant colors that bring games, movies, and productivity tasks to life, compared with others that feel flat or dull. The ultra-slim 0.3-inch profile at 1.7 pounds allows effortless portability, while dual full-function Type-C ports and a mini HDMI port ensure broad compatibility with PCs, laptops, PlayStation 4, Xbox, and smartphones. Built-in stereo speakers, eye care blue light reduction, and a scratch-proof magnetic smart cover enhance convenience and safety. As compared with others, this monitor combines portability, immersive visuals, and practical features in one, making it an ideal, worry-free companion for home gaming, travel, or multi-screen setups. Jennings, the clear winner is the STGAubron Dual CPU. If you want a home gaming PC that doesn't compromise on performance, multitasking, or future-proofing, this system delivers confidently. With dual Intel Core i7 Xeon E5 processors, 16GB of RAM, and an AMD Radeon RX 588GB graphics card, it handles AAA games, streaming, video editing, and multitasking seamlessly. Compared with others, it combines raw power, smooth visuals, and expandability, offering peace of mind, immersive gameplay, and a reliable, future-ready setup for serious gamers, creators, and multitaskers. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best home gaming PC. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you!